In this video guys, I'm very excited to share with you as NIO had reached to a new all-time high of $34.94 on November 2, 2020. With that regards, my investment portfolio on NIO stock alone is up by 240.13%. Since I had started this investing journey of mine last April, when I bought my first stock of NIO at $3.11 and next is $3.278 for 180 shares. Till then, I had accumulated a bunch of stocks but had sold some at certain level, ending up now with 1,000 shares at cost base of $9.80. With that being said, let us talk why I hold this stock, why I decided to purchase this stock, and now has the intention to hold it long term. I have 6 reasons why owning these stocks give us more money, for almost 10 times even buying it at the price level above $30. First, a strong EV leader in the making. As stated by Morgan Stanley analyst Tim Shaw, NIO is a leader in the electric vehicle on the making during their last upgrade, raising the target price to $33. They also have said that they had revised their forecast on a better than expected Q3 deliveries, upside potential to margin, and an update of their assumptions behind NIO's vehicle and long-term take rate of navigation on Polo. Take note that JP Morgan also upgraded their target price to $40. Second, the increasing delivery year over year. In this industry, we all know that an increase of delivery numbers can cause each and every stock to move, in which on NIO's case, it is expected to happen from time to time, as Shen Feng, their executive vice president, said that their sales are setting to new all-time highs, which they think will become normal in the near future, reflecting customers' acceptance. This acceptance, arguably, is the product of their effort on BAS, which actually can lower the price by 70,000 RMB. To attest the feasibility of this business model, NIO had released that they already completed 1 million swaps. And this swap can only take for 3 minutes, which is faster than pumping your gas at gasoline station. The presence of BAS station across main highways, deploying 155 battery swap stations in China, along with their G2 Beijing-Shanghai Expressway and G4 Beijing-Hong Kong-Macau Expressway, is clever enough to attest that actually NIO is service-oriented company, taking first the solution of the problem on the distant dilemma. With these sweeteners, NIO had able to deliver 5,055 vehicles in October 2020, increasing 100.1% year over year, while total delivery for 2020 is 31,430, increasing by 111.4%, compared to Li Auto's delivery of 3,692, while XPENG has 3,040 deliveries. But take note, only 936 units is allocated to J3s, their smart compact SUV, a close competitor to Tesla's Model Y, and NIO's newly launched or newly delivered or starting delivery last month, AC6, which in this month of October is having 883 deliveries. These 5,055 vehicles being delivered by NIO in this month of October October just shows that Morgan Stanley is right with their opinion being a winner against domestic car manufacturer Li and XPENG, of course with exception to Tesla. But who knows, NIO can overtake it in domestic sales, especially that Tesla had recall issue in that country. Not to be outdone, William Li said that NIO at the recent AP Club meeting is currently working on 150 kWh battery pack that will give the EVs a range of more than 900 kilometers. It is more than the doubles of AS6 range of 430 kilometers. This project, once tested and put the technology into feasible use, it will further increase the sales of their brand, as range anxiety, considerably the most important factor preventing many people from buying an electric vehicle, could be alleviated. Third, one of the winners on government procurement projects. NIO is one of the 16 winners on government procurement project for government purchasing of official vehicles by Beijing municipal administrative institutions in 2020 to 2022. As we all know that NIO is being backed by the Chinese government, the possibility of having the greatest number of orders is possible. It is another catalyst to drive its delivery. Therefore, once their delivery increases, stock price increases. Fourth, the RoboTaxi program. Intel's Mobileye partnership with NIO for the RoboTaxi could also skyrocket NIO's revenue. Therefore, it will increase shareholders' value, as we all know that delivery will increase as well. How about this? Dida Shusheng, a ride-sharing company in China with NIO holds 17% ownership. This company has compound annual growth rate of 238%. Is it just a minority ownership, or NIO is planning for eventual takeover, buyout, or a merger? Or a sole supplier of their cars? Whatever it is, in the future, this company could give NIO a value-added revenue-generating activities. Fifth, the Marco Polo project establishment. According to Chinese media report IYIOU.com, NIO is in the process of setting up an overseas division, which it could be named as Marco Polo Project, to sell its models in Europe, which will be started in Copenhagen, Denmark. NIO plans to sell about 7,000 units of AS8 and AS6 models in 2 years. But for me, how can NIO do this as early as next year or first half of next year, especially that they don't have the factory just yet, now that demand in China is increasing? Although the Jack NIO plant in China could be expanded as well, but how far they can expand their capacity? This is something that we have to look forward on their earnings report to happen this month. Finally, the sixth reason, the institutional ownership of 47%. According to Fintel, as of September 30, 2020, 47.01% of NIO's outstanding shares is being owned by 439 institutional investors, with largest shareholders include Baillie Gifford and Company, BlackRock Inc., Vanguard Group Inc., Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated, among others. Baillie Gifford and Company, who owns 13.13% of NIO's American Depository shares, has $300 price target on this NIO stock. on a target valuation or projected valuation of $300 billion. That means that at a current price of $33, once this target has been met, then you have a potential profit of $267 per share. Not to mention that it can be more, as NIO also have other business such as NIO Life, clubs, and entertainment, which the company is projecting to be more than 200 billion RMB. How much more if ARK Invest of Cathy Wood would decide to invest on NIO, being one of the innovative AV company out there? Just in Baas alone, and Nome, the first in-car assistant, which actually needed so that autonomous driving will be successful. Once ARK will decide to invest on NIO, I believe that the stock price would be over $300. Although, I had an expectation that at least $100 would be enough for me. But of course, who don't like a $400, right? So that's all for today, guys. If you like this video and you find it helpful in investing to NIO or holding longer your NIO stock, please click that subscribe button and your like button. Also, do not forget your notification bell so you'll be keep updated on my upcoming videos. Please remember that I'm uploading a video once or twice a week.